Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to turbocharge a Honda Accord. First, thoroughly research turbo kits compatible with your specific Accord model and engine. This initial step is crucial for a successful build. Next, establish a realistic budget, accounting for the turbo kit, supporting modifications and labor costs, which can easily reach several $1,000s. Finally, decide if you'll tackle the installation yourself or hire a professional for optimal results and peace of mind. Once you've planned, gather your essential components. You'll need the turbocharger itself, a compatible exhaust manifold, and a downpipe to connect to your exhaust system. Don't forget upgraded fuel injectors and a higher capacity fuel pump to deliver adequate fuel. An intercooler is also critical for cooling the compressed air, and proper oil lines are needed to lubricate the turbo, ensuring longevity and performance. Now for the installation. Begin by removing the stock exhaust manifold and installing the new turbo manifold and turbocharger. Next, route and connect all the intercooler piping, along with the oil feed and return lines and any necessary coolant lines. Upgrade your fuel injectors and fuel pump, then install a wideband oxygen sensor for accurate air-fuel ratio monitoring. This ensures your engine runs safely and efficiently with the added power. After installation, professional ECU tuning is non-negotiable. This step optimizes your engine's performance and ensures its safety with the new turbo system. Without proper tuning, you risk severe engine damage. For ongoing maintenance, perform regular oil changes with high-quality synthetic oil and consistently monitor your boost levels. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you hydrated and ready for anything. Enjoy your newly turbocharged Honda Accord.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.